it's Beth from Sweetheart's Hair and we're back with Bella, and I thought I'd show you a really simplistic version of the Rumi from Demon Hunter's hairstyle. I thought the other one that I did the other day was great, but this one's really quick and simple. So I'm going to start off by just putting some mousse in the hair, just to really help this hair go up into a tight, high ponytail. So just smoothing all that mousse into the hair, and then we're going to put the hair in a nice, tight, high ponytail to start with. So this is the pre-stretched hair that I bought. Comment it below if you want me to put the link, but I just went for sort of like a purpley colour, but I don't mind putting the link in for you. So all you're going to do is take hold of this hair, and I'm going to lay this across like that. I'm then going to attach this with a bobble, a hair tie. Now I'm going to bring this back so it joins together like so. And I'm just going to leave out a little section of this purple hair. So all you're going to do is break this hair into three, trying to keep the sections equal. So you are simply crossing these over like a regular braid, quite firmly, making sure that all that purple hair is sitting on top. So as I'm turning this over, there's a lot of normal hair there, so before I do that, I'll just make sure that there's lots of purple hair sitting there. And you'll simply go down, braiding this in, making sure that that pink hair, that purple hair is always covering up their hair. Now this bit feels a little bit thinner than this bit, so what I'm going to do here is before I cross this one over, I'm just going to leave a little bit out, and that's just thickened up that slightly thinner strand. And you can do that as many times as you need to. So again, I'm just going to add a little bit into that one, just to make sure they're all even. And then I'm just popping in a little yellow elastic at the end. And then you can just kind of go through and just fatten up this braid a little bit. And then we'll just take that section that we left out at the beginning and just tightly wrap that around. And then just use a little grip just to secure that in. So that is our simplified Rumi style look from the side. Absolutely adorable. You could go longer if you wanted to, but I thought that was just the right length for Bella. It only takes 5 minutes. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.